Hi there, my name is Victory and welcome to the Beautiful Black Girl. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a hack that I use to pre-polish my stick-on nails to get a more clean, professional look on them. If you've done your own nails before, your own stick-on nails before, or even your own natural nails before, you know that polishing your dominant hand is a bit difficult using your non-dominant hand because you tend to smudge the polish and then it gets on the skin around your nails, around the cuticle area, and it becomes a big mess. And sometimes when you try to wipe it off, you end up wiping part of the polish on your nail as well. I usually pre-polish my nails so that by the time I'm sticking them on, first of all, they'll be completely dry, so there'll be no smudging happening. I won't get smudges and funny dents in my nails, or rather in my polish, or something that might ruin the design that I'm going with for that day. The second thing is that when I stick them on, the look is a bit more clean, a bit more professional looking, because there's no polish around my nails from smudging or anything, because I polish them in advance, so I won't have that problem and my color will be completely smooth. It will be completely well done. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So what you're going to need are masking tape or any kind of tape that you may have, nail polish. I used Luron in the shade FB212, stick-on nails of your choice, and then here I'm just showing you how I select my sizes. I have a video on that and I'll link it in the description box. So now we're going to take the tape and cut a small piece first, and then you're going to fold that piece in such a way that the non-sticky side is on the inside and the sticky parts are on the outside. Then you're just going to stick that onto your surface and do the same with the second piece. Then next we're going to cut a longer piece where we'll be placing the nails. Just measure according to the distance between the two pieces of tape. Now we're going to place this non-sticky side onto the sticky tape so that the part with the glue is at the top. That's what you're going to stick your nails onto. Once that's secure, you'll just start placing your nails one by one according to the sizes you picked for your hands. So basically the thumb first, and the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little one, in that order. So this is how the first one looks, and then we're going to make a second one exactly the same way we did with the first one. Cut a small piece, fold in the sides that are not sticky, and place it down on your surface. Do the same with the second piece. And then cut a longer piece of tape in the same length as the distance between your two smaller pieces of tape, and put the non-sticky side onto the pieces of tape so that the sticky side is at the top and you can place your nails onto the sticky surface. Again, follow the same order: the thumb, and then the index finger, then the middle finger, then the ring finger, and the little finger. The reason for doing this is just so that you have some form of order with the nails. So what we're going to do after that, this part is a bit faster because it's something everyone already knows how to do. You're going to polish the nails using your polish of choice. Like I said, I'm using a nude Luron polish in the shade FB212. Once you're done with the first set of nails, you're just going to do the same thing with the second set. So this is your 2 sets of nails completely polished, and then we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes so that you give the first layer of polish enough time to dry properly before you do a second coat. So once your 10 minutes is over, you're gonna do the second coat of polish using the same polish that you used, of course, on both sets of nails. So I'm just starting with the ones that I polished in the beginning so that I have some uniformity, and because I started with them, they had a slightly longer time to dry, so it's better to start with the ones you started with, but it's not really compulsory. It's just how I prefer to do it because of the order of things. So once you let them dry, I usually let my nails dry overnight, and here you're seeing I'm going to use my OPI nail file to file out the polish that sticks to the sides. When you lift the nail off the tape, you're going to see some polish sticking out from the sides because it also dried together with whatever touched the tape. So you're just going to file that off so that the nail is smooth all around. On this nail you can see where I pointed, it's a bit more visible, so you understand what exactly I'm talking about by the polish that's sticking out from the nail. Once you're done with that, you're just going to stick your nails on, and I have a video on how I do my own stick on nails at home, and I'll link it in the description box. So this is how it looks once I stick all of them on, and I'm just going to add a few rhinestones on one of my fingers just to make it a bit more lively, so to speak, and this is the final look.
So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time seeing my channel, please subscribe down below and click on the bell to turn on notifications so that you get notifications on your device when I post my videos. Like I say in all my videos, if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section, or you can contact me on my social media platforms, and I promise I'll get back to you. I hope this video was helpful for anyone who does stick on nails. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend.